Hello store owners! Today I'll show you how to let your existing retail customers request an upgrade to a wholesale account. It's a simple switch inside the Wholesale Lead Capture settings, and I'll walk you through it starting right here on my shop. Now let's hop into the back end. I'll open up my Wholesale Suite settings, and from the top, I'll switch over to the Wholesale Lead Capture tab. That drops me straight onto the General Settings for Lead Capture. Now I'll scroll down through the General Settings to the lead options. First, take a look at Auto Approve New Leads. This is where you decide whether upgrade requests are approved automatically or held for you to review manually. Right below that, I'll flip on the Account Upgrade toggle, which is the setting that actually lets my existing customers ask to be upgraded. Just below, the Show Account Upgrade message option is already switched on, so customers will get a clear notice in their account. And right here, you can customize the upgrade message with your own branded wording. Once I'm happy, I'll hit Save Changes to lock everything in. Now let's jump over to the customer's side. I'll log in as one of my regular retail customers. And here in the account dashboard, you can see exactly what they see. A notice telling them they're registered as a standard customer with a link to request an account upgrade. When they click that link, they're taken straight to your wholesale registration page, where they can sign up for a wholesale account and wait for your approval. And that's how you enable account upgrade requests for your regular customers. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.